Flat tyres.
Car, brum brum. What up? Sup, girl?
Huh. What's a hairdresser's car? Down. Need to get that out of here. Let's have a look. Okay. Right, so I got that off. So that will sit. There's a door handle. There's a door handle. Oh, that seems to work. Let's see if I can demonstrate it. Let's do that. I don't know where to stand the phone. Pull the handle. It does work. Here we go. 2004 Z4. Quite to see a few things wrong with it. What's going on here? Oh, interesting.
Lovely lady.
No idea how that works.
Talk about volunteering and her food bank, but she doesn't really know what we've got in store for her, so this is going to be a huge surprise.
So, recently got this car from the Salvage auction, and well, it looked quite good in the pictures, but you know, when he delivered it, it had flat tyres, had a flat battery, couldn't get the doors open. I mean, it opens now because I've like hacked it a little bit. Just about everything was wrong with this car. The bonnet was stuck, couldn't open the bonnet. Had to break in basically. It's absolutely shocking. It looked really good in the photographs, and you know, they try to list the things that are wrong with the cars, but Jesus, when you get them, it's nowhere near what you'd expect. So I might have a small oil leak as well. That's another problem. Oh, and the electric hood doesn't work. Great, but it looks great from the outside. I'll show you that in a bit. So I've already changed I've hacked this door cable, the bowden cable on this door. It appears to be stretched. It works from the inside, you can open it, great. But from the outside, I just couldn't open it at all. So I've hacked it a little bit by making the cable a little bit shorter, and it's been working fine for the past 2 days. But today I noticed, I don't know if it's just because of the weather outside, it just didn't want to open. So anyway, I'm not going to mess about with this anymore. I've got a new bowden cable. Just see if these seat belts are working. I've got a new bowden cable, which I'm going to do on this side. So I'll try and set the camera up and show you me doing that. Right, I think I've sorted this out. I think the problem is this cable. I've just been putting that cable in and hoping for the best, really, but there is actually a proper technique of putting it in. I'm just going to try it out on here now. Let's have a look. Right, that seems to work. That seems to work. So this cable, when I had it on before, it was actually only going back that distance and it wasn't allowing it to reset. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in the house and do this one in the same way. Right, this is how you do it, I think. This has to be inside, oh, for a bit of grass, inside this runner. No, I wasn't doing that before. I was just chucking it in. So it goes like that, if you can see that. And then you've got to, how did I do it? Just go like that. Put it in. Yeah, you pull the cable. Yeah, that's it. So it was just a matter of putting it back properly. Obviously I wasn't putting it back properly because I'm a goon. Right, let's put it back in the car. Right, so I'm back in the car. Just thinking, I mean, I've done this a few times now. Wasn't quite sure what the problem was, but that's operating properly now. So I think before, what was happening was, when the central locking was going on and locking the door, that cable down there, see if we can zoom in, that cable down there just wasn't being able to reset properly. I didn't realise that was an issue, but apparently it is. So that's why I was unable to get the door open. Somebody's been at it originally, I would imagine, and just haven't put it back properly. And it hasn't been a problem until you've actually locked the car, come to unlock it. Now it works properly, as it should. Now, the problem is, I don't really want to do it on the driver's door quite yet. I think I'll leave it for a little bit, get the covers back on, get that all sorted out, because if I get locked out of the car, I'll have to break in. And I don't really want to have to be pulling windows and all sorts down, so I'll leave that like that for now. Is that going blurred? Is that better? So I'll leave that like that for now. Put the cover back on. Put the cover back on, and then just, I don't know, try locking the car properly with the remote, unlocking it. I'll just do that for a few times before I decide to do it properly. But yeah, good. I'm happy about that. Right, sort this out, get it ready to put back on. That's bent. Can I fix that? That'll be alright. Might be alright. One there, that one's broken, missing. Don't have any more of these. Oh, there's another one. Great. Right. Get this back off. Some there. How does that go back in again? Oh no. Alright, I'll take it off at this side, because I'm not doing that again. And feed it through here. And this one, the screw was still there. Okay, where's that little cover? Little airbag thing. Oh, there we go, airbag. Yeah. Make sure that's still working. I'll get that back on. Right, got that back on. I hope that's right. We shall see. That looks alright. Yeah. A couple of clips broken at the bottom, but I'll probably try and replace them later when the weather's a bit better. Just this one to do.